That's smart. So Tanya was asking a quick question, and I thought I just touched on this. So you had mentioned that when people are commenting on your ad, you add them to your Facebook business page. And she didn't think you could do that if you aren't Facebook friends. So I thought I'd just touch on that. If somebody comments on your ad, because it's sponsored by your business page, you actually now can click below them and click add, or send them an invitation to like your page. So I believe that's what you're doing. Is that correct?
Yeah, you cut it out the end, but what I think you're talking about is when I click on like who's liked my page or who's liked my ad, it'll automatically pull up all of those names, and right next to it has an invite or invited. And so I've either already invited them and it's kind of blanked out, or it's blue and I just click the invite button. It's that quick and simple.
And that's exactly what we do for StreetText too. I mean, obviously, we run ads. Lots of people comment or like or whatever it may be, and we just open those same things up and just say invite to like your business page. And it's actually amazing how many people respond by just clicking accept. So, and then now they're part of your ecosystem. There's a chance that if you're posting stuff to your business page, they're gonna see it. So you're expanding your network within the community as well. So hope that answers your question, Tanya.